Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to discuss about internship opportunity in IBM. Let's jump into our video. So basically friends, I've been posting all the jobs in my website, which is google360.com. Just bookmark this website before you apply for the job so that you can access those jobs easily. And one more thing is that all the jobs are verified by me, so you can apply without any second thought. And but you should be cautious before you applying the job. So we are going to discuss about this job, software development intern, and I have opened the link. So what kind of person they are looking for, so let's see that. So you should be having some sort of knowledge on Python, Java, J2EE, JavaScript, knowledge on software development and web options, knowledge in backend development, good understanding of database management and administration permissions, good knowledge of OOP concept, web development concept, HTML, JSON, REST API development, strong coding skills and analytical skills. And these are non-tech skills like you should be having good oral and written comm skills, must be a team player, must be work independently, must be creative enough to bring fresh ideas. So preferred technical and professional expertise, inclination towards one or more of the emerging technologies inclusive of hybrid cloud, Docker's cloud, blockchain, AI and analytics. And the responsibilities would be developing business and risk models using complex mathematical, statistical and programming tools, analyzing requirement problems and solving them with the best solution, producing high quality code without much supervision and on-time delivery, working on cross-functional team, collaborating with peers during the entire SDLC. So basically friends, forget about everything here. So make sure you have some knowledge on one programming language, whether it is Java or Python in this case. So most of the time you would be having knowledge on Java because you would be studying this in your academics. And Python now they introduced, but Python is also too easy to learn. And one DBMS language, MySQL would be better, and then one HTML, enough. So these three are enough to get this job friends. So I recommend every fresher to learn one programming language, one database language and one operating system. I prefer Linux, and one web designing language, whether it is HTML, JavaScript or anything. So basically having some sort of knowledge on HTML, CSS would be better because these are something basics and covered in your academics. So this is it guys. So you should be preparing these skills to get this job. Let's talk about the salary part here. So let us see what would be the salary. Salaries for intern. So I think the salary would be at least 6 lakh, but let's see. So the salary would be 4 lakh 2,000. That means probably it's a 4.5 package when it compares to the additional pay as well when it's cumulative with. And then 4.5 means you would be getting somewhere around 37,500 for internship. I think it's a great opportunity. So if you want to apply, just click on apply for the job and click on this URL. You would be getting the information. You'll get to know everything here. How is it? We have discussed the responsibilities, tech skills and non-tech skills, and apply now. Then you should be creating your account and you should be applying for this role. That's it. And that's it friends. In my upcoming video I would be reviewing this company, software developer intern in IBM company, right? So I'm going to review IBM company in my next video. So keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.